Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Happy New Year! Today I'm making chocolate dipping sauce. This is a fun and easy treat to make for New Year's Eve. So let's get started. In a microwave safe bowl, add 1½ cups of milk chocolate morsels and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Now melt this in a microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring each time until it's melted. Then remove it from the microwave and stir it together. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 or more tablespoons of milk, depending on how thin you would like the mixture. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Transfer this to a smaller microwave safe bowl to serve and reheat it as needed. And here it is, chocolate dipping sauce. Use your favorite fruits or snack items to dip, and be sure to store this in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We would like to wish everyone a very happy new year. Woo! I'm Amy. Happy New Year. Aww. Look, it landed right down. It didn't go anywhere. Hi everyone. I'm Amy. Today I'm making oh no. What's he looking? Did it almost hit? Happy New Year. Wait a minute. So let's get started. Oh, I thought that was gonna make a noise. Hi everyone. What's wrong with it? I'm Amy. I dropped it, wait a minute. Transfer this to a smaller microwave safe bowl to serve. So let's get started. I missed my mouth. I missed my mouth.